Hello, today we are going to talk about the top 10 parental rights that exist in special education. Number 1, parents have an opportunity to examine records. They have a right to see all records in regards to the identification process, the evaluation process, the placement of their child, and the free and appropriate education of their child. Number 2, an independent education evaluation. Parents have a right to request an independent evaluation of their child if they disagree with the school's evaluation. Yet, a hearing officer will decide if an independent evaluation is needed. Number 3, prior notice. All parents will receive written prior notice in their home language of any proposed or refused services by the school. We definitely want to make sure parents are fully aware of everything that is happening within the school. Number 4, a copy of parent rights. You will be offered a copy of your parental rights at least once each year. This usually occurs during the Individualized Education Plan meeting or the IEP meeting every year. Number 5, parent consent. Your consent must be given before the school conducts an evaluation of your child and before services are started. You also can revoke your consent at any time. Number 6, voluntary mediation. If you are unhappy with the school's decision, you may request mediation to try to resolve any disagreement. A mediator, an impartial third party, will be the one to make those decisions. Number 7, impartial due process hearing. If mediation is unsuccessful, a due process hearing could be requested. If due process does not meet a resolution, a court-filed suit could be filed. Number 8, this question comes up quite often. What happens if the behavior of a child is negative, but they also have an IEP? Well, if a student breaks a school rule and needs to be removed from the building as a consequence, the school may remove the student for up to 10 days, unless the incident includes a weapon, illegal drugs, or the harming of another student, adult, or the building. In that case, the school will then proceed with other more intense measures, such as removal for possibly up to 45 days or an expulsion hearing. If a student is taken for an expulsion hearing, first there has to be a manifestation determination hearing to determine if the student's behavior was a result of the disability. Number 9, placement in a private school. If a school provides a free and appropriate education to your child, but you choose to enroll the child in a private school, the public school is not required to provide services to your child. And number 10, if you would like the full document of your parental rights, you can look at this website and find that document there. This has been a very condensed version of your parental rights, and we hope you enjoyed. Thank you.